what you're doing, cause you can't stop the colors that are proving, and it heads up the scene, it's coming down on you. Don't stop doing what you're doing, cause you can't stop the colors that are proving, and it heads up the scene, it's coming down on you. So take it away.
And these are the parts I just cut. I'm going to do on top there. And these two can go here. I'll cut out these little tabs, make them the same length. I'm going to use these for the base.
Take it away. Save it for another day.
these springs, they came from a fitness device.
You're gonna roll back, connect the lower back right into that bottom cushion. Slowly ease onto the ab rocket and you'll feel the connection all the way through your upper back.
I'm going to use these so it'll bring the pump back. So just drill holes here and there on the other end and do the same on the stand. And just push a thread through and it should be enough, I think. Well, we skipped through time a bit and I have added these stoppers over here to keep this frame not moving around too much. I drilled holes here so the springs can go there. And this was just some random piece of steel. I think they came from the engine, GS. I mounted the jack, so I had to drill holes in the jack and in this plate as well, which you saw I think in the video. And I tested it and it works. So it goes down and it will crush stuff. And that is the purpose, of course. But what I need to do now, and oh yeah, I've welded in these hooks so the springs can go there. And just added a bolt here to lengthen it. That was the quickest way to do it. I think I'm going to add a bit of steel up here so that this will be more up to the top. And of course I got to figure out a way to have something like a rod underneath here. So I'm thinking about putting something in here that I can change the thing that I put underneath here, like a big rod or a pointy thing or something like that. And then I think it is done. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do now. I took this out, that was a mistake. So I have to put something back in and then maybe give it a paint job and then I'm done. So I made this like spacer from scrap pieces and it'll line up over here like so. So I finally finished the tool. Let's put it together. So that was today's video, a DIY shop press. I think it came out pretty good. All the stuff I use is scrap metal, came out of my house. The only thing I bought was this. I got it for like, I think 15 euros, brand new. These came from a fitness device I got at a second-hand store, and they work beautifully. Yeah, and it works really good. So really heavy. So if you like what you saw, please subscribe, hit that subscribe button. You can also follow me on Instagram to see motorcycles or other tools that I've built already. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye bye.